Wazengero mambu ya kiwai ya takala koko Wazengero mambu ya itiona
Zila mongo kwa yenda kinka kakaninsangu Anda masisa ne Kongo miondo mibwidi yaya Basi kwa yele mvu Ngialumbu tukuluke Vana mpambwa nzila Zingidi moko yaya
Ngwe yaya kakala koko Wazengero mambu yaya kiwai ya takala koko Wazengero mambu ya itiona
Vita ya nuana buta Ndianda ngunga Mandume Lusantulo antieleke Kala yengango Musingola
Ngwe ya takala koko Wazengero mambu ya kiwai Wazengero mambu ya kiwai ya takala koko Wazengero mambu ya itiona
Zila mongo kwa yenda kinga kakaninzangwe Makanda masisa ne Kongo miondo mibwidi yaya Basi kwa yele mvu Kialumbu tukuluke Vana mpambwa nzila Zingide moko yaya
Ngwe yaya takala koko Wazengero mambu ya kiwai ya takala koko Wazengero mambu ya itiona Ngwe ya takala koko
Wazengero mambu ya kiwai
ya takala koko
Wazengero mambu ya kimsiona
mentee. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Nama vipi Nengoteliwa. Kembote.
Kembote.
Close again, Amos.
Nama vipi
Close
Nengoteliwa.
again.
Ingeta tuna mavimpi yeyenu
Oye tepe tunama vipi. Tutonde.
Come open it.
Tatale.
Right,
Nama
here you go.
vipi
Hey.
Tunama vimpi yeyenu, eh?
Oye tepe tunama vipi. Tutonde. Don't worry, Tatambiala. I'm not going to embarrass you next time. Tutondele. Tuyangalele. Any question about the lesson, the past lesson? No?
No, Tata Mpanzu, you seem you sound kind of like you're far away. Your mic,
Oh,
not that
okay.
loud.
Give 1 minute. Let me see. Sorry. I think I'm using different mic. I knew it.
Okay now?
Yep, yep.
Thank you very much. Yes. Any question about the lesson? Last lesson?
No.
Tata, thank you very much. You're doing well, I saw yesterday, Tata and Laza
Yeah.
pushing you hard,
No, that's good. I need it. I need it. I need it.
You're brave,
Yeah.
That's good. It is a mother tongue. Thank you, Tata Mabiala. We are appealing. Anyone is following, anyone is listening to, watching this lesson, this class, please, this Kikongo class, Kikongo lesson. If you're a young man of Congo origin, please apply, enroll on our course like Tata Mabela did. Tutondele. This, as I said in the beginning, this Kikongo language course. If you're watching, thank you very much. Kikongo is spoken in Angola. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo. You can see the flag, yes?
Yes.
Yes, and the Republic of Congo. Angola, Gabon, the DRC, and the Republic of Congo. Tuto Ndele. We're going back for Tata Allen, Tata Nengo Tedibama. This one is new to Tata Abiala. Let's show it. Yes. I'm sure you can see my screen, yes?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Ame. Can you carry on, Tata? Ame and the suffix ame.
Ame aku andi etu enu au.
Well done. Nengo Tediwa.
Ame aku andi eto eno au.
Well done. Au, or we could say,
Obau.
yes. Always remember the third plural in Congo, in DRC, it's B, usual B.
Bau.
But in Angola, A.
Eh.
We can say that, but it's not clear cut because we know we are same people, If you go to the border, you can't say Angola and Congo because the border, we have a village in Angola, but the grandfather from the other side, see? So we can't say Angola. Okay, you see what I'm trying to say. But we could just say Be, usually Be, Bau is the other side, DRC, Au is Angola. Tutondele. Pronouns do not exist in Kikongo language. We call them possessives. I'm not saying possessive pronoun. Without saying pronoun as a word, yes, pronoun, we call it possessive. Yes, are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah, because the way it is applied is not the same as in the European languages. That's why we need to remember, we need to memorize ame, aku. These are suffix. Just call it possessive.
Okay. I got it now.
Ame, aku, andi. Let's see. Okay, Tata Mabiala, over to you. Can you read the Ame to Ao, please?
Ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, au.
Thank you. As in numbers, you memorize your units, and in this case, Tata Mabiala, you have no choice. We must remember Ame, Aku, Andi, Eto,
Eto,
Eno,
eno,
Au.
au.
Ow.
Ami, let's say I, Aku, you,
You, yeah.
Andi, him, her, Eto, us, Eno, you, many, Au, Obao, they. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Very, very important to understand that. You are going to speak Posh Kikongo, you know, Tata Mabiala.
Yeah.
This is proper grammar, Kikongo grammar. So, Ame, Aku, keep going on. I will be going all the time. Ame, Aku, Andi, Eto, Eno, Au. Ame, Aku. The numbers are your units 1, 2 to 10. Nice number. Okay. These are the main prefixes, but we have many. Ki, D, we're reading Kikongo, we're not reading in English. Ki, D, then we have Y, Z, M. These are the main ones. We have many. That maybe I can read this sentence, please.
Yeah. The prefix depends on the nominal class of the object owned.
Yes.
The class.
The prefix depends on nominal class of the object on.
Yeah.
Prefix. Let me go back. This is the prefix. Ki, D, Y, Z, M. Ame, Aku, Andi, Eto, Eno, Au. Remember? Tata Ame, Aku, Andi. So when I say something's mine, I'm going to use a prefix, one of these prefix. But this prefix comes from the objects on. Italian, are you with me? Yes?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. You just move on. You're going to understand this now. Remember, the prefix depends on the nominal class of the object owned. That might be I'm going to test you now. N, in this case, so N, forget. N is there just for, it's not first letter. N is for a tone. Yeah? The nasal. Because Kikongo, we don't say zo, we say nzo. The N. In this case, N is not your first letter. N is just there by default for your tone. Yes?
Yes.
Are you okay? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Tata Mabial. N is not the first letter, it's just for the tone. So the first letter is Z. Okay. If you go back to this definition, the prefix depends on the nominal class of the object owned. Yes. Nzo eto. We need. Can you see the dot, the three dots? We need to put the prefix. A prefix comes from the name, the object we own. So the first letter of the object we own. So our houses in Kikongo will be Nzo.
Eto.
Sorry?
Is it our houses?
Yes, in Kikongo will be Nzo. You know the three dots, you take the first letter from the Nzo, you put on before E.
Nzo eto.
You missing your prefix. Your prefix. You've dropped your prefix. You have to carry your prefix.
Zo quieto.
What is the first letter here?
Nzo.
No, the first letter. The word is Nzo. The first letter is, remember,
Z.
not N, Z. Yes.
Yeah.
So you put the Z here. Nzo.
Nzo.
Yes. Z E. Nzo.
Zoeto.
Nzozeto. Nzozeto.
Zozeto. Okay.
Yes. The three dot there for your prefix. Okay, let's try the next one. Mambu. Mambu mean issues, problems. So mambu.
Mambu meto.
Well done, well done. Yes. Nengotadiwa Yuma.
Yuma yeto.
Yeah, Yuma yeto. Tatalen Disa.
Disa deto.
Yes. Disa dieto. Yes.
What is
We said dieto. We take the I.
It's di. Yeah.
Yeah, we take the I. You done? Yeah. Tata Mabiala. Same question. Nzimbu money. Nzimbu's money.
Zimbu zeto.
Well done, correct. Well done, well done. Zimbu. What is the other name? Okay, let's just put it out. Let's flip it over. What is the origin of the word Nzimbu? Where does it come from? Tata Nengwa Tadiwa.
Okay, Nzimbu originated from the area in Luanda, Ilha de Luanda, where
Ilha de Luanda, yes.
people used to use oyster shells
Yes.
as currency.
Well done. So what was the Ilha de Luanda? It was part of Congo Kingdom, of course. What was it for? To the king. Tata, remember Ilha de Luanda? That bit.
Yeah.
What was it?
Was it where I think
it was a, yeah. I'll give you a clue. I'll give you a clue. Like what a good example here. I'll give you a clue. Okay, like New York and Washington. So
it was like the financial.
Well done. Financial capital. Yes.
Capital, okay.
Capital Congo Kingdom. So Nzimbu is the oyster shell. Yes. Are you okay, Tata Mabiala?
Yes.
Nzimbu money. Nzimbu is money, but the original, it comes from Nzimbu, the oyster shell. It was used in Congo Kingdom. When we say Congo Kingdom, it's not for common people. Was it for who used the Nzimbu? Tata, not the common people. People at the top.
Yeah, the aristocrats.
Yeah, correct. Yes. Any questions on this? No question. Okay. Now comes a test. That time be like, you are a Congo person. Think about Congo person. Yeah, think as a Congo person. So, although I've written in English, but you're using a grammar, Kikongo grammar, to apply the principles, rules, Kikongo rules, grammatical rules. Yeah. If I say bata is mine, if this was a Kikongo, then you were using the prefix. Remember, the prefix depends on the nominal object we own in the class. So if I say bata is mine, thinking in Congo, bata is
me.
Yes, Tata, sorry. Bata is mine. Bata is
Amen.
You still no. You're going far Bata is
Okay.
mine. Tata bata is mine. Bata is. Remember, the prefix depends on the depends on
Oh, you mean it's
number.
like it's buying?
Yes, bata is bine. We're thinking as Kikong. You understand that?
Okay, okay, okay.
You get it, yeah?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
If I say kitchen's mine and we're thinking in Kong, we say kitchen is
Kitchen is
Tata Mabel.
time.
Well done, you done it. Yeah, well done.
Mm.
Okay, over to you, Tata. Tata Mabel, can you try? Ame, carry on, Tata Mabel.
For me?
Yeah, Tata Mabel. Ame, aku,
Amen.
aku.
Say that again, sorry. Aku,
Let me
yeah.
just go back. Yeah, let me go. The suffixes. Remember, you need to. These
Ame, aku,
ame,
yandi,
andi,
andi,
eto.
eto, eno, au.
Again, ame, aku, andi, eto.
Ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, au.
Yes, I'm going to remove my slide.
Okay.
That Mabiola, can you try, please? Ame,
Ame, aku, andi, eto,
andi.
eno, au.
Wow, well done. Eto, eno. Yeah, well done. Yes. These are pronouns. I mean, we call it possessive. Now we are going to the other one. These are the other grammar. I mean, the other side is adjectives. Let me try, can find my file. Yes, yes. Remember this that Mabiala very important. Ame aku. Where's my file? Let me try to stop this. Give me 1 minute. Need to find my file. If you're watching, we thank you. Didn't find my file. Okay. Yes, I found it. Tatale, are you okay with this? I think I'm fine.
Yes. Yes, I am.
Good, good, good. Because slowly but surely we are going ahead. We're moving. Remember, what did you say about pronoun? How do you define pronoun? What the word for pronoun in Congo context? Tatale?
The possessives.
Yes, we just call them possessive pronoun. We call possessive, but in this case, adjectives we call them in Bantu languages anyway. We call them relatives.
Yeah.
Not relatives, relatives. Yes. Okay, Tata Alan, can you help us? Please? Can you read for us, please?
Yes, adjectives in Bantu languages are called relative because exactly from a grammatical point of view, they always agree with the noun they modify. For example, kiaki, kinkutu, kiaku, kiambwaki,
Mbwaki, well done.
kiambote, mbote. As you
Yes.
can see, the noun is kinkutu. All other words are key in agreement.
Yes, well done. Sorry. Yes, you done well. Thank you, Tata. Of course, this is the principal rule, but sometimes there's always exceptions. Yes, as any languages. Tutondele. Kia kiki kutu kia me. Sorry. See, when I say kia me, what do I mean? That Mabiala kia me.
Me,
Mine. Yes. Well done. Yeah.
mine,
Good.
mine.
Yeah, it's fine. You good.
Kiame.
Yeah. You know, as long as you know it is the first singular, that's fine. Kia
Mm.
kiki kutu kia. Sorry. Kia kiki kutu kia ku. Kia, 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 As you can see, the noun is kinkutu. All other words are key in agreement. This is very common in Kikongo, not only in terms of adjective, but in other contexts. You will notice we say kia kiki kutu kia kukiambwa ki kiambote mbote. Who can translate? So let me translate. Kikutu. What is kikutu?
Kiputu, is that not Europe, the West?
Kikutu, not putu. Kikutu is this one.
Oh,
You sure?
Yeah,
oh,
kikutu. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I grew up in, of course, I was born in Congo. Until now, yes, Kikutu. Bon, talvez people, talvez I'm about to talk in Portuguese. Maybe people are embarrassed to say Kikongo, but either you say chemise in Lingala or you say Kikutu. Are you with me? Yes?
Kiputu, okay.
Yeah, Kikutu, but it's Congo. It is Kikongo because Lingala is a Creole. Lingala is no one. There's no ethnic group called Bangala.
It's a Creole language.
Yeah, it's a mix. So kia kikukutu kiaku kiambwaki kiambote mbote. Kiaki this. Kikutu kiaku. Let's try to translate literally. Kiaki this trousers shirt of yours, which is red, is very nice indeed. Mbote mbote, repetition just to underline. Yes? Mbote mbote, very, very good. Kia kiki kutu kia kiambwaki, kia mbote mbote. Any questions? Yeah, anyone tell you a question?
No.
No. Okay. Tutondele. All these words in the analysis of Bantu languages are called relative, yes? Then go tell you, can read first, please.
Its equivalence in the classification of Indo-European languages would be as follows. Kiaki is demonstrative, kiaku is possessive, kiambwaki is adjective denoting color, and kiambote mbote is adjective qualifying opinion in the superlative.
Yeah, this language, not Kikongo, yes? This grammar. There don't be like questions. Are you okay?
No.
No? No questions. Good. Kikongo is proto-language. That Alan, proto-language, what does it mean? That
You said it's a what? A portal language?
Proto-language. Let me write prototype, let's say in English.
Yeah, okay.
Proto.
Yeah. You've been there before, Latin, Greek.
Oh,
okay,
so you mean
yeah. No, I see what you mean.
Proto-language, yes. I was talking in the background with Tata Mabiala. I was saying that Hebrew language was Kikongo precedes Hebrew language, yes? So when when Jacob and his sons went to Egypt, it didn't take long, they spoke the language of people there. People in Egypt were like you and me. I won't say anymore, you understand? Did you get that?
Yes.
Yeah, like you and let me just try to remove this is very critical because people are following us. We need to learn because we have an internet. People we assume we're learning, man. Many people are not learning, you know. We're not going deep. We are very shallow. I mean, I'm not trying to insult anyone, but it's happened to all of us. Hmm? Just display something. Hmm? How many years did not just now people from Jacob descendants stay in Egypt? 400 years. Yes. Yes. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes. Get this very important. We need to teach this to our kids, you know. You're not so puzzled.
No, I'm in agreement. I'm listening.
Bob Marley sang, "If you knew your history." I'll stop you there. Huh? Buffalo soldier, go to America. Yeah, very important. Know your history. For 400 years. Let's assume we have 400 years. Let assume in first century, Jacob and his all the 12 sons passed away. Yeah, in first century of the 400. So Jacob grandchildren spoke which language? Egyptian language. Yes, are you with me?
Yeah.
Egyptian language is a mix of Kikongo, all the African languages. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Take note. So, first century, Jacob grandchildren spoke African language, like what you're learning now. So in second century, in second century we took it 200 years. Yeah, yes. So those people descendant were born in second centuries. They were pure in terms of language, a pure African. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Then in the first century, forget it, the Africans. Yes. Are you following me? In language, they spoke African language speaking now, Kikongo.
Yeah.
One of them, they spoke, because all of Africa, we came from north, yes, northeast, from Egypt. So we immigrated bit by bit, yes. Then we stopped in South Africa. Yeah? We couldn't go anywhere. So the fourth century, last century, when Moses left Egypt, going back to the promised land, going back when they left Egypt, which language those people spoke? African language.
Kikongo.
Yes, one of them, yeah. So that was taking Congo's proto language. I read with that time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying now? Because I know it's not funny, but Professor, what is his name? Professor, no, I have to kick myself. I can't remember the name now. I'm so excited. Okay. Professor from Senegal. Oh yeah, no.
I think I know his name. I know his name though. I know his name.
Obange, huh? What's the name? Professor. That person, okay, I need to find his name. Oh, sorry. Shame on me. I need to remember this name. Sorry.
So what was he known for?
Oh, this is he is the person that studied.
He studied
Sorry.
ancient Egypt, right? He studied
Yes.
ancient Egypt. I
Egypt
forgot his
history.
name.
Professor Obange. Professor. Who is watching? I can remember his name. Sorry, I can't remember now. You know what, Alan? I think it was the University of Sorbonne.
In France.
He's from Senegal. It's like you and me. His dissertation was on Egypt.
Yes.
It's a doctorate degree, but they didn't want him to present his dissertation twice or three times. Yeah. When they gave him a chance to defend his thesis, then from that time, many books had to be rewritten about Africa. See?
Oh wow.
You understand what?
Yeah.
Okay, Théophile, yeah, Professor Théophile, yeah. Professor Théophile, yes. Yeah, okay.
How do you said? Is it what's the name again?
Théophile, hein? Théophile in French, hein? Théophile.
Okay.
Égyptologue, hein?
Okay.
Obenga, yes. Théophile Obenga, yes. Professor Théophile Obenga. No, this is not the person. No. Yeah, Théophile Obenga, yes. Théophile Obenga, yes. Yes, Théophile Obenga, yes. He's an Egyptologue.
Okay.
What does Egyptologue mean, Tata Alain?
I mean, he studies what the history of ancient Egypt.
Egypt, yes. How many countries do you know about has a log after the country name? Country science? Let me just rephrase. Tata Bella.
I think we lost him. Oh, he's back.
Yeah. How many countries do you know with the...
Sorry about that. Press the button.
Yeah, okay, no problem. The only country with a title of a log, I mean prefix, suffix log, science of a country is Egypt. Did you get that? There is no American log. This is a man, yeah? Théophile Obenga. Then I can show you another book here.
Well, is he?
Sorry?
Is he Mukongo?
Alive? No, I think it's gone. Yeah.
Well, I can't. We can't really see the book.
Yeah, 1 minute, Tata. So.
Okay. You can see it. Yeah.
C'est l'origine égyptienne des Bakongo. Basically, they said the origin of Congo people from Egypt, yes? Congo people are from Egypt. Of course, all of us. When we say Congo, sorry?
Ngibiti.
You're right, Congo. We say Ngipito, yeah.
Ngibito.
Egypt, yes. Yes, Ngipito. Someone said that Moses' name is Kikongo Maza, mean water. I mean, don't take my word for it. I'm not sure, but I'm just saying. Not me, but I'm not sure. But yeah, it's funny. But if he was born in the last century of the fall, isn't it? Yes, am I right?
Yeah.
Yes. 400 years. He was born, I'm sure, in the last century of the fourth. What language did he speak? Or his dad and mom? His mom and dad.
Kikongo.
Well, when I say Kikongo, of course we are biased. When we say Congo, I mean one of the put it like this: a mixture of all African languages. Yes? So one of the bits is Kikongo, because Kikongo is there. It's proven that it work. Yeah. Although this is at home. So Kikongo is there before Latin, Greek. Forget about English, the other languages. See? When you say salary comes from Kikongo word. Do you remember Tatale? Work in Kikongo?
Sala.
Yes, salary, yes.
That makes so much sense.
But But we are live. I don't want to say too much, otherwise I'm going to.
Because I heard once before someone told me that.
I don't want them to block my channel. But excuse me, yes.
Yeah.
We were there before, but they used to say, "Oh no, Sarah come from salt, because they used to pay them. There was no currency. They used to pay them with salt. No, there was currency. You know, you go to the British Museum, you're going to find currency. Even us, we did have currency. Congo.
They have currency.
Yeah.
Oh.
So any questions?
No, I don't have any questions. But I am gonna look up this book though.
Yeah, it is Amazon. You can find it on Amazon. Yes. We need to cherish our language, you know. The thing is, I mean, where's Latin? Latin's dead, no?
Yeah,
Language, they do die. They do vanish, see?
Yeah, they do.
I mean, we need to defend this language. Kimfomfangi pinga pinga. Can you read that on your screen? Bottom left, bottom right. Can you read that? Kimfomfangi pinga pinga.
Where?
On a screen. Kimfomfangi pinga pinga.
Yeah. Kimfwafwa kipinga pinga.
Kimfomfangi pinga pinga. I think I did explain in the past. Can you explain?
You have, but I don't remember exactly.
Remember?
I'm in the same boat. I don't know how to explain it.
Kimfwamfwa, the root word is fwa. Fwa.
To die.
To die. Okay.
To die. Pinga means to replace.
Ah, okay, yeah. I remember.
Can you try to explain to Tata, please?
So it's basically I guess to die and to replace. There's the evolution of keeping the tradition passed on.
Exactly. Yeah. Basically, our forefather, our ancestors did bless all of us, but they said this tradition should never die.
Yeah, okay. So tradition
basically, one generation passed away, the other should take over the tradition. So, kimfomfa kipinga pinga. Let's put literally, die, replace. Yes, die. Once just die and come back, we should carry on with the tradition. So the full sentence is kimfomfa kipinga pinga. Voka mumwana ko munantekelo. Voka munantekelo ko munalumvulu. Meaning that they are going to pass, the other new generation going to take over. So our tradition, if my is not carried on by my son, that is carrying on, my grandson, if not my grandson, my great grandson. Are you with me? Yes. Yeah. Okay. We're done for today. Well, Congo is a language. We need to defend the language. When the Kiambote.
Nusa
la Kiambote.
You know this? Makonzo. Makonzo. No Makonzo. Can you do this? Don't worry about the noise. Can you do this, Tatale? Don't worry about the noise. Tata Mabial. Do this. Hey, not like this, not clapping. Yeah, okay, see you next Sunday. Lunda Gambote.
Musa la Kiambote.
Thank you.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibuli matu uidi ikonzo dienu vanga bo Congo diafwa Eno luvo vanga bo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe Ekulu mbikansi Congo diatumba Eno luvo vanga bo Congo diafwa Eno luvo vanga bo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe Ekulu mbikansi Congo diatumba
Uma história que tá gravando na minha memória. África foi sempre linda, o nosso berço da humanidade. Havia muito renato, havia muita felicidade. Vivíamos dentro da lei.